What's up guys, long time no see ya. This is the Enerpat BMD series. It's a high-efficiently brisket press designed for compositing metal chips into diseased, dry and easy-to-handle briskets. Its dual-head design allows it to uniform brisket at once, specifically boosting production efficiently. Equipped with a servo-controlled system and precision molds, this machine ensures each brisket is uniform size and weight, making it stocking, storage and handling easier. The finished briskets are dry and drip-free, keeping your workshop clean and fully compliant with environmental regulations. Plus, by compositing the chips, material yield increase and recycling values by 10 to 30%. How it works: metal chips are fit into a compressor chamber via a horizontal screw conveyor, a vertical ram compressor, the material into central sealed mold. A pre-cylinder then applies additional force. Next, a horizontal hydraulic cylinder switches the mold capacity to push the brisket into the left chamber. While the brisket is being discharged, the mold switches to the right chamber, then this cycle repeats, engaging continuous dual output operation. Dual head compressor design. Two briskets are formed simultaneously, double producing compressed to single discharge machines, idle for high volume chip processing. Hydraulic system. Cylinders are made from steel bar, hollowed and honed for precision, wall thicknesses and integrity. Integrated buffet design minimizes impact, extend the service life with up to 5 years warranty. Patented ram rod connection allows for quick and easy replacement. Hydraulic components from Rexroth, Parkin, and other premium brands ensure high reliability and efficiently. Electrical control system equipped with the Siemens motors and Siemens control units for stable performance and a long life. Molds are made from imported dilger-resistant steel. The intelligent ELC system supports intelligent programming, making it easy to set compressor timing, fitting cycles, and diagnostics. A complete alarm and the error code simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance. Industrial chilling system, installed directly to the hydraulic system, offers modes for fixed temperature or ambient sizing, maintains continent oil temperature for 24/7 continuous operation, essential for multi-shift or fully automatic workflows. The BMD series transforms chips from steel, aluminum, stainless steel, copper, titanium, and other alloys in a high density round brisket in a single cycle. Compared to a single discharge press, the dual discharge design eliminates time loss to chamber opening and closing, increase compressor efficiency by 1.5 to 2 times. It's a proven solution for industries such as machining, metal casting, auto parts manufacturing, precision component production. The Enerpat BMD press helps maximize metal recovery, reduce storage space, improve furnace yield, and press environment audits with confidence.